and it was exactly the same. So we just used that. Just watch. Don't breathe that in if you can help it.
Would that have been sharp?
It was, yeah. Well, they were actually then they were. Certainly the original was sharp but very fine. But they were obviously because they were doing it commercially, they were producing a grit sand by grading and sieving it through different things. And so we just combined what they call building sand. This is building sand, fine building and the grit sand. So we mixed it
See like the
together.
lime, you're like pulling all the
But
moisture
that
out
was
of the
exactly
sand.
the same sand. And that's often the case.
So what was in here?
This is the reason that this is
Sand aggregate quarries are more likely to still
this
be
is
going
quicklime. It's
than
right out of the kiln. Okay, so that's why it's volatile and giving off
Not
steam.
been slaked.
No, it's not been slaking. It's slaking right now,
Right.
but it's slaking off of just the moisture within that sand that we put in, which is relatively dry. So
It's going quite liquid almost.
it's now desperate for water. Okay, and this is where it
It's
starts.
2:8.
Sorry,
It's not 2:8. Means 1:4.
sorry.
What's the proportion?
Oh, that's well, what is
4 parts of
four-
that
four-
to 1
yeah.
of quicklime at the
Okay,
moment.
sorry.
How do you consider the shrinkage of that sand? Because the sand is wet and it has voids in it. So don't you
No, that's right.
consider the-
No, we
don't you
just do it by
consider
volume.
Yeah, it's the
So,
volume.
yeah.
But don't you consider
Okay,
the
so
shrinkage
you're
of
going to
the
be
volume
getting. I
of
mean,
the
you'll get a sense
sand
of that.
is
It's,
No, I know exactly what you're saying, but no, typically we don't.
it's hydrating now as much as it can. But can you see how
Yeah, you
it's
should
jumping
be
around a
using-
bit? It's
should be using dry
because
sand
the
so
lime's
you get
actually
exactly
breaking
that.
down even beyond the fine powder that
are,
it is, and it wants water desperately. So we're going to give it some now. Okay, but it's the same process as this, except we're adding water to, we're doing the no-no, we're adding water to the quicklime, which makes it a little bit
Yeah,
more
this
dangerous.
is graded and
You never measured the water.
that's sold as it has a particular grade, so it's
Sorry?
M grade. So it's been through a tank. You can get-
That'll be
you go to
done
the quarry, you
empirically
can
by
get
us on site, depending on, how much
But this is a
water it
standard.
needs for a pointing mix or a plaster